have, guys, a quick tour around the 17th century manor. Alarm's going off, so we're off. Well, yeah, guys, thanks for joining us on that quick little mad adventure of the old abandoned 17th century manor house in the middle. I'm not even going to tell you where it is, but do your research, lots of pictures, and you'll find out. But there you have it, short and sweet, baby. Beautiful old 17th century manor here, guys. Ceilings have gone. Alarm's going off. Alarm's going off. We're out of here. Actually, we're not. Beautiful old room there. As you can see, there it is, boys and girls.